A healthy immune system is something that everyone wants, because it helps our body to fight against various infection-causing viruses and bacteria. But to achieve a healthy immune system, you don't need to always buy expensive medicines. You've always got all good immune booster in your kitchen. If you are ready to find out 100% natural immune booster, then hit the thumbs up and let's get started. Our immune system consists of organs, cells, tissues, and proteins. Together they carry out a process that helps our body to fight against pathogens, which can be viruses, bacteria, or any foreign bodies that cause infection or disease. Children mostly have weak immune system. Gooseberries are the most famous immunity booster. A gooseberry is said to have nearly 20 times more vitamin C than oranges. It means a single gooseberry equals to 20 oranges. Doesn't that sound amazing? Eating one gooseberry per day meets all your daily requirements of vitamin C. This vitamin C acts a powerful remover of free radicals because they causes several diseases like cancer, diabetes, cataract, and aging. Gooseberry is an important ingredient in Ayurvedic medicine like Chonprash, the immunity-boosting Indian tonic. Ginger increases your immune response. It has a powerful antioxidant and antiviral properties. It boosts weight loss and decreases hunger. It also increases the number of calories that you burn during digestion. It also helps to prevent cancer. Take a ginger root, scrape off its skin, cut them into small pieces, and then put in blender. Then strain the juice. You will get concentrated ginger root juice. Now dilute this juice by taking 3 tablespoons of concentrated ginger root juice and add 100 ml of warm water to it. Drink this 100 ml ginger root juice only once a week. You mustn't drink concentrated ginger root juice. If you find this ginger root juice spicy to drink, take some honey. Add tiny pieces of ginger root and leave them for about 30 minutes. Then take a tiny piece of this ginger and consume this daily. This will help you to boost your immune system. We have already posted a gooseberry ginger jam immunity booster recipe. You can check them out by clicking the information button. This recipe can be stored in fridge and consumed daily. Spinach has huge amount of health benefits. It has plenty of antioxidants and beta-carotene, which increases infection-fighting ability of our immune system. Before you eat spinach, rinse it well and then cook it. Many people find it hard to eat spinach. For those, I will leave you some tasty spinach recipes, which I found online, in the description box below. Turmeric powder is known as a key ingredient in many curries. But this bright yellow spice has been used for years, for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties which helps to boost immunity. Add a pinch of turmeric to your daily food while cooking. This will help you to boost your immunity. Most people think after eating citrus fruits like oranges and grapes they get cold, so they avoid them. But they don't understand its high benefits. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, which helps to build your healthy immune system. It also increases production of white blood cells. These cells helps to fight against infection-causing viruses and bacteria. Here is a list of some of citrus fruits. Have at least any one of these fruit in your daily diet. Other factors that help you to boost immunity. Don't smoke. Don't consume alcohol. Exercise regularly. Maintain healthy weight. Get adequate sleep. Wash your hands frequently. Eat freshly cooked food every day. Before consuming, wash your vegetables and fruits thoroughly. Consume freshly cooked food daily, because cooking foods effectively kills bacteria. Share this video with your friends and family, to help them boost their immune system. Which remedy is useful for you? Write about this in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. For more videos, hit the subscribe button.